how to turn on or turn off depth effect for the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on Customize. Tap on the Customize on the left-hand side panel because the one on the right-hand panel is for the home screen. Okay, so tap on the left panel, and then we go down and tap on this button right here. So tap on that button to open up a pop-up. From here, you can choose depth effect on or depth effect off. So select one of the options. So here I can turn off depth effect on. And that's it. After that, tap on the done button and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.